How to fix Canon printer error 5200. First, check ink levels. Check all ink cartridges or ink tanks. Replace or refill any that are low. Low ink is one of the most common causes of this error. Step 2. Turn the printer off and let it cool. Turn the printer off, unplug the power cable, wait 10 to 15 minutes, plug it back in and turn it on. Step 3. Reseat the ink cartridges. Open the printer cover, remove each cartridge, check for leaks, damage or protective tape, and reinstall the cartridges firmly. Step 4. Run print head cleaning. Open the printer's maintenance menu, select cleaning, run one cleaning cycle. Print a nozzle check afterward. Clogged nozzles and print head issues are common causes of error 5200. Step 5. For Canon G series printers, refill ink tanks. If you have a G3000, G3020, 2020 or 7020, verify all tanks contain sufficient ink and refill low tanks. Restart the printer. Step 6. Perform an ink flush. Some G series printers offer an ink flush function. Open maintenance, select ink flush, choose all colors, and follow the prompts. This can restore ink flow if the print head isn't receiving enough ink. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.